Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the steps to manually create restore points in Windows 10. Creating restore points manually can be a lifesaver when making changes to your system. Let's dive right in. To begin, open the Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, in the search bar, type Create a Restore Point and click on the top result. This will open the System Properties page. Within the System Properties page, locate the Protection Settings section. Here, you need to ensure that system protection is turned on for the specific drive you want to create a restore point for. To do this, click on the desired drive, then press on Configuration and choose Turn on System Protection. Now it's time to create the restore point. Type a descriptive name for the restore point in the provided text field. For example, you can use before modifying the registry settings to clearly indicate the purpose of the restore point. Once you've entered the name, click on the Create button to initiate the creation process. After the restore point has been successfully created, click on the Close button to exit the restore point creation window. To finalize the process, click on the OK button within the System Properties page. And there you have it. You've successfully created a restore point manually in Windows 10. This will serve as a safety net for your system, allowing you to revert back to a stable state if any issues arise. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Until next time, take care.